friends, it is Running Kimono, and oh my gosh, toilet paper week over at the Dollar General. And we're going to talk about this if you want to run out today and do some of these deals. If you want to wait till Saturday to pair it with the 5 off of 25, we have a bunch of options in the air. At the very least, please load all of these coupons today because they might not be there tomorrow. You know that sometimes it's a weird thing that happens with that Dollar General app. So the first toilet paper that we're going to look at are these really big ones. They're the 24 rolls, which is like 48 because they're very large, and they are $12.50 each. So find this on a bottom shelf at your Dollar General, and hopefully they have it in stock. And we have the barcode if you would like to scan this to see if it's in stock. And you can also find the digital coupon if you cannot find it. But I found it very easily on most of my accounts. But I know that sometimes you guys, you might not be able to find it. But this is the one it's attaching to. And it's also attaching to another pack too. And we'll talk about that in a quick second. So this is the little Christmas miracle that showed up this morning, which is a wonderful 5 off of 2. As you can see, it expires on Saturday the 12th. And then we have some instant savings, $3 when you spend $15. So there's a little bit in the air here. So we're going to talk about everything step by step. So if you want to do this one before Saturday, because if you live in a really big city and, toilet paper is on, everybody wants to buy it, or it just gets cleared really easily at your store, here's a deal before Saturday. Grabbing 2 of these really large packs, that's 25 on the nose, subtracting that 3 off of 15 instant savings, along with the 5 off of 2 digital coupon, you're left with paying $17 out of pocket for the 2, making it $8.50 for a 24 pack of Cottonelle, which is 48 double rolls basically, because they are like really massive rolls. You'll have toilet paper for life. It's just a really solid deal. Now, if your store has no limits on paper, because some stores are like, 2 per person or 1 per person. If you have no limits, and if you can find this as well, which is the Scott's toilet paper for $5 on the nose, just rework a deal, because guess what? This also showed up, which is $1 off. And as you can see, this expires on the 12th. So if you want to do it before Saturday, we're going to look at a deal. So grabbing 2 of those massive Cottonelles for $25, they're $12.50 a piece, and then 1 Scott's toilet paper for $5. The total right there is $30 on the nose. But that 3 off of 15 instant savings will be triggered twice, so $6 will come off. And that just comes off at the register. You don't need to load any special coupon. Along with that 5 off of 2 digital and the $1 digital that I showed you in the slides previous, you're left with paying $18 out of pocket for the 3 paper products, shaking it out to $6 a piece. This is not the worst deal. If your store might sell these, it's an 18 pack, which is 36 rolls. Don't you love toilet paper math? But these are $10 a piece. So it's an 18 roll for $10. And guess what, guys? It's attaching. So you have a couple options here for toilet paper week. So like load this coupon. So before Saturday, if you're going to grab 2 of those, that's $20 on the nose. They're 10 a piece. Subtracting that 3 off of 15 along with the 5 off of 2 digital, you're left with paying $12 out of pocket for the 2, shaking it out to $6 each. Now, guys, if you are buying these products, it's part of Kimberly-Clark, part of the Fetch Rewards catalog. Photograph it to Fetch, get some extra points on these purchases. For both Scott and Cottonelle. You can earn your well-deserved points for these purchases. Now let's look at Saturday. And again, you're gambling. So maybe just take a quick cruise to your store, see what they have in stock, just walk around. And if you're going to do this on a Saturday, I would go first thing, because whenever they have that 5 off of 2 and then a Saturday, this stuff magically disappears in the store because people go really hard on this. And even if toilet paper clearing has been happening in your town, some stores it happens, other stores it doesn't. So like you would know best. Maybe visit your store before Saturday to see what they might have in stock. Okay, so we're going to need to have this guy loaded. So load it, just load this booster for Saturday because we're doing this deal on a Saturday. We're also going to need this guy loaded, which is a 5 off of 2. And then there's that instant savings. We're also going to be grabbing one of these Scott's toilet papers for $5 on the nose. Sometimes they even have this at the front of the store or on end caps. It's like toilet paper city at some of these stores around here, but I'm sure you'll be able to find at least one of these. And there's that generous dollar coupon that's coming off for it. And here's a quick peek of what that coupon looks like. So at the very least, load all of these digitals today so you are in business to do these deals later in the week, or just be prepared because we never know when they pull these digital coupons. It could be a couple hours or a couple of days. And then we're going to grab a Crest toothpaste for $3 on the nose. So the Crest Pro Health, this guy, it is exactly $3. And then I believe it was last week, but the coupon is still there. It's $2 off of a toothpaste. And I'm just going with this because I know that most accounts will have like all of the coupons I just showed you. So that's the little chorus line of items that we're grabbing. So looking at the math for this one, guys, so 2 of those Cottonelles is $25 on the nose, and then 1 Scott is $5 for a total of $30. We have that 3 off of 15 coming off twice, which is automatic savings that happen at the cash register. You don't have to load a coupon or anything. So 6 is coming off with a new subtotal of $24. Remember, we have 1 Crest for $3, so the actual total of your basket is $27. You punch in your phone number after all the items are scanned. Your 5 off of 25 Saturday is coming off, along with $8 of digitals I showed you in the slides previous. 5 for the Cottonelle, 1 for the Scott, and then 2 for the Crest. You're left with paying $14 out of pocket for the 4 items, shaking it out to $3.50 per product. So if you do not like the Crest and you want to opt for something else, I just want to show you some items and digital coupons that are shaking things out to really inexpensive. For $2, we have a 40 count of the Snuggle dryer sheets. We have a $1.50 off manufacturer coupon, dropping it down to 50 cents. Like, oh my gosh. And I'll let you know that this specific coupon is not on every account, because I had a friend, we were comparing digital coupons, and she's like, I don't have it. I don't have it. And then a couple of my accounts did not have it as well. So maybe it's an account that you use a lot more. So sometimes they're goofy with their digital coupons too. And then this one, shout out to the freebie guy. These all packs, this stain lifter one is on a buy one, get one 50% off. And these 2 digitals are attaching. So you'll get $3.50 off the 5, making it $1.50 for 2 bags of all packs. So it's 75 cents for each, which is really fantastic. On those all coupons, if you look below, it says buy one all 4-in-1 odor lifting, blah, blah, blah. Get the second one for free, which are regularly $5. So it's on a BOGO free, and then the 2 digital coupons are attaching. So that's how I'm getting the math to balance. So if you wanted to throw this on a Saturday basket, you can do that as well. And the Tide Simply Pods, we have a $2 coupon. I believe this was a digital one from last week. So it drops the bag of $2.95 pods down to 95 cents. So if you are not about that Crest and you just want to get creative with something else, these are some different options. Lots of great digital coupons, guys. Do not sleep on it. Get into your Dollar General app today and load all of them. Some deals to be had and found. Okay, guys, so before I take off, I do post a lot of my Dollar General hauls or shopping later on Saturday afternoonish. Procrastination is a really, like, it's real with me. Like, sometimes I'll spend the whole day watching TV or YouTube or just getting sucked into a hole. But when I do venture out to go do a couple of deals, I do post it on my Instagram. So if you want to go follow me over there, I sometimes put it on the community tab on YouTube, but it's not a very active tab, so it mostly goes on my Instagram. So if you want to go follow me, I got this basket of all this stuff for like $3.33, 100% digital deal. And this is the receipt. I do apologize. I haven't been posting. I didn't post a gain matchup last week or a 5 off of 25 because I was so busy with the Bath and Body Works deals, and I was like in and out of the store doing my craziness. But whenever I do miss, I will try and do a couple of baskets and then throw it up on my Instagram. So hopefully you can follow me over there. But there are some deals to be had and found. And Sunday is usually the day to load all of your digitals. But check every day. And I have been super lazy where I haven't been loading all of my digital coupons. And like this basket for like $3 and some change, I was only able to do it once because I didn't have enough of my digital coupons loaded. So it was kind of like one of those things. I was like, really? Guys, I feel it. Like the struggle's real. Like sometimes if you're not laying on top of this stuff, it'll just escape you. And like, that's not fun when you can only do one deal, when you can do it like maybe 2 or 3 times if you have like more than one store account, and I have like mine and my husband's. But I was only able to do it once. So, but if you want to follow me on Instagram, I do post a lot of info over there specifically for the store. And this week I will try my very best to at least get some gain matchups because I know a lot of you look forward to it. And there are some killer deals for that as well. So load your digital coupons on your Dollar General account. As always, thanks for watching and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye guys.